Hi friends, I'm glad you popped in. Today we're making hamburger steaks. So I have 2 pounds of ground chuck here, and I have a teaspoon and a half of seasoned salt and a teaspoon of onion powder. I have a 1/4 teaspoon onion, diced up, minced up I should say. I'm going to put a couple of tablespoons of minced garlic. I have a 1/2 cup of breadcrumbs, 1 egg, and you want to mix this well. If you're grossed out by this, you can always wear gloves. So I'm going to put in about 2 tablespoons of oil. I've sliced up about 4 cups looks like, but it's an 8-ounce pack of mushrooms. You can choose your own mushrooms, the kind that you like, but I used an 8-ounce pack. I had a large onion. It made about 2 cups, and I did put in about 1/4 of a cup of this onion into the ground chuck. I have a red bell pepper sliced julienne, and I have a green bell pepper. Now while these are sauteing, I'm gonna make my hamburger patties the size that I want. Just to show you the other side's brown too. I cook them probably about 3 minutes per side. And then I put my goodies back over the top. And then I pour in about a 1/2 cup of beef broth. I like to cover it and just kind of let it simmer for a little bit and turn it down for a little bit just to make sure it's done inside and to give it a chance to absorb some of the flavors that I've just poured over the top of it. I'm gonna give this a try for you guys. It's really good. Be kind to one another. Thanks for watching.